How to install Peak mods. I'm going to tell you how to install Peak mods. First, download the mod files you want from a trusted source, whether that's Nexus Mods, GitHub, or the official Peak community page. Once downloaded, extract the files if they're in a compressed format like zip or RAR. Next, go to the installation directory of your game, usually found in your Steam or Epic Games library under Steam Apps and then Common. Look for a mods folder. If it doesn't exist, create one. Drag and drop the extracted Peak mod files into that mods folder. Some mods might require additional steps like copying .dll files into the plugins folder or enabling them through a mod manager. So always read the included README or instructions on the mods page. After that, launch the game. If installed correctly, you will see the mods load either through a startup menu or in-game options. That's it. You've got Peak mods installed and ready to go.